Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shower repair service business. While running an shower repair service business, you might get a lot of inquiry about pricing, availability, repairing services and whatnot. Replying each person individually would be a time-consuming hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will tell you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shower repair service business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have created this amazing chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and over here I will type a key message. For example, hey, as you can see, I got a response reply which welcomed me to Pabbly Shower Repair Experts. With that, I got 3 action buttons out of which I can choose according to my requirement. Let's say I want to book a service. For that, I will click on Book a Repair. After selecting, I got a response in which they asked about my name. I will type my name as Demo User. After that, they have asked me about my address. For example, I will enter. After entering my address, they have asked me preferred time. For that, I will enter 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. As they got every single detail about mine, they have sent me a message in which they tell, booking confirmed. Thank you for choosing Pabbly Shower Repair Service. A technician will arrive as scheduled. See you soon. As you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds without any manual effort. That is the power of Pabbly Chat. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open a new tab and over here and type pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you search this, you will be on the landing page of pabbly.com. Over here, you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free. As I am an existing user, I will click on sign in. As soon as I sign in, I will be redirected to the All Pabbly app page. Over here, I can see there are 7 different applications, out of which today we are working on Pabbly Chatflow. I will click on Access Now button. After clicking on Access Now button, we will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp numbers in one place without opening WhatsApp separately. Add your WhatsApp number. There is a button given on the top right corner named by Add WhatsApp Number. Inside this, there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you have to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify your Meta Business Management account and link your WhatsApp Business account with it. Okay, not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer. After that, we have contact section where you can create new contact and separate them according to your requirement. After that, there is a team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, we have template section where you can create customized template. By creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. After that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customers using customized template. After that, we have flow section, which is a powerful tool to create chat. After that, we have AI assistant setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. As we got to know each features, let's get started building this flow. For that, we need to click on flow button and we will be redirected to the flow builder page. Here, to create a new flow, we need to click on Add Flow button, which is given on the top right corner. By clicking on that, we will be landed on this page. Here, you can see a window is opened named by Flow Start. Inside this, there are 3 key features, keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature. In choose template, you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special patterns or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about 3 features, let's get started building this flow. For that, we need to give a meaningful name to this flow. As we are making this chatbot for shower repair service business, I will name my bot accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your shower repair service. After giving a meaningful name, I will enter reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. As soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send a welcome message with a media. For that, I will drag and drop media button from the message section and connect with my flow start. That means as soon as my customer enter a message, a welcome message with a media will be delivered to them. After that, I will browse media, something like this. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I will write a welcome message. For that, I will click on add content button. Over here, I will select a text button and enter my welcome message which says, "Hey there, welcome to Pabbly Shower Repair Experts. I am ShowerBot, your 24/7 assistant for hassle-free booking, available check and follows up. How can I help you today?" As you can see, I have put few message between start, which means I want to send my message in a highlighted form. After adding welcome message, I want to put few action button with it. For that, I will click on add button option and enter my text, book a repair. For my next action button, I will enter check availability. For the third action button, I will enter talk to a technician. After putting my action button, I want to give a separate message for each action button. For that, I will start by our first action button, which is book a repair. For that, I want to know few details of my customer, and for that, I need to ask a question to them. To ask a question, I will drag and drop ask question box from action section and connect with my action button. That means as soon as my customer click on the book or repair, a question will be asked to them. Over here, I will enter my message as book a repair. Could you please send your name? After that, I will select my contact custom field as name and my format as text. Now you must be wondering from where we can add our contact custom field. For that, first save your flow. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is saved. After that, come with me to the settings section. Over here, you can see a feature which says contact custom field. After clicking on that, you will be landed on contact custom field page. Over here, you can enter as many contact custom field as you required. As you can see, I have already created multiple contact custom field. As per my requirement, I will move back to my flow. After name, I want to know my customer address. For that, I will drag and drop ask question button over here and connect with my previous question. Over here, I will type a message which says, "Could you please send your address?" After that, I will select my contact custom field as address and my format as any. After address, I want to know about their preferred timing. For that, I will again drag and drop ask question button over here and connect with my previous question and enter my message as, "Could you please send your preferred time?" After that, I will select my contact custom field as time slot and my format as any. After getting enough information about your customer, I will send them a confirmation message. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button from here. And over here, I will enter my message which says about booking confirmation. As we have done with our first action button, let's move to our next action button, which was check availability. For that, I will again need to ask them a question that for which product they want to know about availability. I will connect my second action button with this question box and enter my message in which my customer need to tell about their preferred area and date so that we can let them know about the availability. I will select my contact custom field by service needed and format as any. As soon as my customer enter all the details, I will send them a message. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button over here and enter my message which says, "I have got your back. We will let you know who's available." And with that, I will put an action button which says menu and talk to technician. I will connect my menu option with our initial message so that if a customer select the menu button, they get this initial message again. And for Talk to Technician, I will enter a separate message. For that, I will drag and drop this option, select the text button and enter my message that our team will contact them. And here also you can see I have put few message between stars. That means I want to highlight these message. I will connect all Talk to Technician button with this message as well. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run a chatbot for shower repair service business. After that, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As soon as I clicked on saved option, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to work in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.